500 grain, 500 Smith & Wesson bullets. You get 20 of them for 39 bucks. About $2 a bullet. And there's all 5 of them there. About the size of a AA battery. That's it there. And there's a Bic lighter next to it to kind of give you an idea of the size. Yeah, this is what I carry on a daily basis. Got the Smith & Wesson 500. Gonna shoot off a couple 500 grain rounds with it. See how she does. Should have a lot of kick. That little fucking gopher over there, I guess. Oh my god. There's a 380. There's that Mac 10. And there's one 500. That's awesome. Don't drop it.
Where the hell are you gonna put? Where do you put your hand? Just fucking wrap around the other one, basically.
Oh yeah. Hold it tight.
Oh my fucking god.